Now that I'm done making my sketch inspired by Kimmy Cantrell's masks, I am ready to transfer this idea onto my final paper. And I'm gonna do that with oil pastels. So the important thing to remember is that because we're gonna be painting over this with watercolors to create a wax resist, we wanna make sure that we're pressing down hard with the oil pastels. So as you're drawing, make sure that you're pressing down hard. The colors should be really bright. And the same way that we drew our sketch really big so that the face filled up the whole paper, on our final paper we want to do the same thing with those oil pastels. And you get to decide if you want to switch the colors around. Like, I don't have to do the whole eye all pink. I could do part of it pink, and then maybe I decide I want to do the inside part orange. Your final draft also does not have to look exactly like your sketch. So if some of the details are a little different, that is okay. The important thing to remember is to press down hard and make it big so it fills up the whole page. I'm gonna show you a quick experiment to kind of help you understand why it is so important to press down hard with the oil pastels for this project. So I have one version of my art where I press down hard, those colors are nice and bright, and then I have another version of my artwork where I press down really soft and the colors are pretty light. So we're gonna compare how both of them look with the watercolor. Now that I've painted in both of my different versions of my Kimmy Cantrell inspired mask, you can see that the version where I press down really hard with my oil pastels, those lines show up so much better. In the version where I just press down softly, you can still see the lines for like the yellow and the orange, but when it gets to darker colors like purple, blue, and green, those lines don't show up as well. So we definitely want to make sure that we are pressing down hard and drawing our mask design really big on our paper today.